How to remove a game from your Roblox profile. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up Roblox inside your browser. You can go ahead and do these methods from your iPhone device, Android device, and Windows computer. Inside, you can just go ahead and log in your account. Now if you want to remove a game inside your profile, you can just go ahead and click on your profile section right here. Now inside your profile, you can just go ahead and click on the creations right here. Before it says games, but as of the moment, it has or it is inside the creation section. From here we have the experiences. I'll just go ahead and select this specific game right here. And once inside, you want to go ahead and click on the three lines right below the game's name, and from here you will be able to see the remove to profile. Now I've already removed this specific experience on my profile, so it doesn't have that anymore. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.